is being able to have a performant Omni model where you can take in your video, your chat, your documents, and if you send a picture, like say I take a picture, right? You know what I mean? There's no real good way of doing it. This one's tailored towards more so the bigger companies. And the same with kind of Greptile. Greptile was simple at first, but like they're kind of locking it down the more they get involved with this companies and what they require, right? What I wanted was just some type of Omni type of system that was just personal for like researchers or like individual people, right? So I built a bunch of prototypes, right? So this is one here, which is just chat prototype. This one is document analysis. So the idea is on the left, you have like a grounding prompt or document that you always want to keep in reference whenever you're doing research. But whenever you're doing research, there's a lot of times you're switching between browsers, different documents and stuff. And this kind of is simulating that basically you have like a drop zone, and no matter what type of document, so no matter what type of input you're getting feedback from here, like you'll be able to put it into some type of workspace and use that grounding document to continuously analyze over it. And there's been a lot of like breakthroughs in like infinite context windows to where this kind of infinite scroll of like analysis, visually analyzing your documents forever kind of works. And that leads into also I'm just displaying the working features. I have some other stuff, but like this is the audio portion. Basically transcribing my audio in real time and sending it to LLM to build a context and speak back to me. And,